How to make WordPress members can upload images slideshow on profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to make WordPress members can upload images slideshow on profile page. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not offer this feature. But you can have it for free. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once all plugins are active, navigate to Youzify panel, Widget settings, and Slideshow settings. You can enable or disable widget title, change the widget title, allowed slide number, loading effect, slide height type and styling. Next step, go to Profile Settings and Profile Settings. You can put the widget on the Overview tab or the sidebar. And then go to Widget Settings and you will see the Slideshow widgets. Click Add New Slideshow button. And then upload image you want to show as slideshow. And let's see the results. You can see the slideshow on the profile page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.